Hello, this is CJ the Traveling Man. We are at the Illinois borderline. Yes, the Illinois borderline. I want to welcome everyone from Illinois for joining me on this tour. This is CJ the Traveling Man. Thought I'd let you know we're going to go from every city, town, and village in your state. Yes, we're going to go to every single village, town, and city in the state of Illinois. Hey, it's CJ. Let me tell you a little bit about Illinois. Illinois entered the Union December 3rd, 1818. The state capital is Springfield. The state nickname is Prairie State, or what they call Land of Lincoln. The state motto would be the National Union. Origin of the state is the tribes of superior men. The state tree is a live oak. The state animal is the white-tailed deer. The state song would be Illinois. The state bird would be the cardinal. The state flower would be the velvet. And also, Illinois has 2 national forests, 43 state parks, and 5 state forests. And famous for Illinois is Abraham Lincoln Historical Site and the Sears Tower. Hey, some of the famous people from Illinois. So if you recognize the name, reach out there. We got Jack Benny. We got Black Hawk. We got Harry Blackman. We got John Chancellor. We got Jimmy Connors. We got Miles Davis. We got Benny Goodman. We got Walt Disney. We got Ernest Hemingway. We got Wild Bill Hickok. We got Burl Ives. We got Quincy Jones. The one and only Abraham Lincoln. Ronald Reagan. Carl Sandburg. We got Oprah Winfrey. We got Charles Heston. We got Rock Hudson. We got Bill Murray. We also have Bob Newhart. We got Richard Pryor and Rachel Welch. Just a little bit of Illinois facts. This is CJ the Traveling Man. Thought I'd school you a little bit. The word Illinois comes from the French word meaning Illinois, or land of Illinois. The word meaning for men or warrior. Illinois was discovered in 1673, settled in 1720, and entered the Union on December 3rd, 1818. Illinois is surrounded by bodies of water on every border, which is the Mississippi River to the west, the Ohio, the Wabash River in the south, and yes, Lake Michigan in the north. The state that also border Illinois is Kentucky, Iowa, Wisconsin, Missouri, and Indiana. So this is CJ the Traveling Man. Thought I'd let you know that we're coming to every single town, village, and city in the state of Illinois. Spread the word. Like I said, spread the word that we're coming to a city, a town, and a village near you. Peace.